We can also perform a dot product of two arrays of identical length. And we can do that really easily using Numpy. Some of you may be familiar with dot product, others may not. Basically, the dot product of two arrays is where we take the multiply the nth element of array A with the nth element of array B, and then we add up all of those multiplications to get a single answer. So, simple example, imagine we've got an array here that has the values 1, 2, and 3, and array B, which has the values 2, 4, and 6. To take the dot product of those, we'd say 1 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 4 plus 3 multiplied by 6, which gives us a total of 28. Okay, and to do that in NumPy, we just say np dot dot, and then we pass in as the inputs the two arrays we want to take the dot product of. In this case, A and B. As simple as that. And you're probably thinking, okay, when would I ever use a dot product calculation? They can be really useful. They're particularly useful if you want to weight one set of values by another set of values. So as an example, you might, for example, build a geographic model where you want to weight, you'd have one array which represented travel times and another array which represented the number of people that lived at each of those locations. And therefore you could weight your travel time calculations by the number of people that live there, so that you don't skew your results by saying, okay, well we're placing too much emphasis on this one person that lives a long way away, which would be very different to 1,000 people living that distance away in determining where we might place our service. So things like that give it a little bit more of a practical flavour.